A very good morning to all of you. Welcome back to our channel Study Adda. So as we know, it's 17th June today, and starting with the very first question, day of the day, and today it is World Day to combat desertification and drought, and the theme for this year is food, feed fiber, the links between consumption and land. Next, noted folk singer Hira Singh Rana passed away recently. He was from Uttarakhand. Recently, he was appointed vice chairman of Garhwal, Kumauni and Jaunsari Academy by the government of Delhi. Next, who has launched multi-location claim settlement facility? So this has been launched by option A, EPFO, Employees Provident Fund Organization. The facility will enable EPFO offices to settle online claims from any of its regional offices across the country. Next, India has recently become the founding member of which organization? So the right answer for this is GPAI, and GPAI stands for Global Partnership on Artificial Intelligence, and this organization or group has been launched by United Kingdom, European Union, Australia, Canada, France, Germany, Republic of Korea, Singapore, Italy, Japan, America, Mexico, New Zealand and India as its founding members. Next, which payment bank has launched Suraksha Salary Account for MSMEs, micro, small, medium enterprises? So this has been launched by option A, Airtel Payment Bank. Airtel Payment Bank. The account offers benefits such as hospital insurance and personal accident insurance cover. Next, which chef has won Quality NZ, that is New Zealand, Culinary Cup 2020? So this has been won by chef Anurag Singh Rana. Option D, Anurag Singh Rana. And the award was announced by former New Zealand captain Stephen Fleming. Next, who has launched recently Jeremy Band device? So this Jeremy Band device has been launched by Home Minister for State G. Kishan Reddy. Option B, G. Kishan Reddy. The recently launched device has the capability of killing around 99.9% of surface and air microbes. Next, which bank has introduced Insta Flexi Cash for salary account customers? So right answer is option A, ICICI Bank. With this, customers can start using the approved OD limit within 48 hours. Next, who has launched feedback call centers on public grievances? So this has been launched by option C, Dr. Jitendra Singh, Northeast Minister Dr. Jitendra Singh. Various feedback call centers have been operationalized by the Department of Administrative Reforms and Public Grievances DARPG in collaboration with BSNL, Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited. India is the dash largest recipient of FDI in 2019. So India is the 9th largest recipient of FDI in 2019. Option C, 9th. This is according to the United Nations Conference on Trade and Development, UNCTAD, who released its World Investment Report 2020 recently. Next, according to Reserve Bank of India, India faced its first recession in which year due to balance of payment problem? So India faced its first recession in 1958. Option C, 1958. This is very, very important question. And this situation of COVID-19 now is India's 5th such recession. And this current economic crisis faced by India is the worst of all the previous recessions. So this is very important point as well. Next, who has observed Bose-Einstein condensates BEC as the fifth state of matter after solid, liquid, gas and plasma? So the right answer for this is option D, NASA. Option D, NASA. Plasma was described by the chemist Irving Langmuir. Next, which ministry has organized One Dhan Yojana? So this has been organized by option D, Tribal Affairs, whose minister is Arjun Munda. And this Yojana is the Tribal Startups Bloom in India, where 18,000 self-help groups will be increased to 50,000 self-help groups. Next, for whom did Government of India organize the first ever ADIP tramp? So right answer is option B, Divyang Jan. The first tramp to distribute free assistive aids was organized at Firozpur district of Punjab. Next, also the ADIP stream is implemented. Often in examination this question is asked that which ministry has developed this stream or under which ministry this stream has been launched. So this ADIP stream is implemented by the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. Next, what is the rank of India at IMD's World Competitiveness Index? Right answer is option B, 43rd. And Singapore has topped the list. And the last question for the day, which nation's Supreme Court barred workplace discrimination against LGBT community in a historic judgment? So this has been declared by option B, United States of America. Also, United States President Donald Trump has signed will sign new order for police reforms. So that's all from today. Take care, stay safe.